guys, and in front of me is Motorola RAZR 2025, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. First of all, enroll the settings. Then from main settings list, so from this one, select apps. Now see all apps, so just enroll all of them, mark more icon, and select reset app preferences. And now if you truly want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, or any other permission restrictions, just mark reset apps. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.